Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to activate your expired Globe SIM card step by step. So let's get started. First, make sure your Globe SIM card is properly inserted into your phone. If your SIM was deactivated due to inactivity or lack of registration, you'll need to register it again to prevent future deactivation. Once registered, the next step is to reload your Globe SIM with any amount. You can start with a small load just to test if it reactivates. Use the available Globe prepaid load codes to top up your SIM. If your SIM becomes active again, you're good to go and can continue using it as normal. However, keep in mind that permanently disconnected Globe SIM cards can no longer be reconnected. If you're unsure, contact Globe customer service for further assistance. And that's it. That's how you can reactivate your expired Globe SIM card. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more helpful tech tips.